Some Apple iPhones now have an always-on display feature. This means that when you lock your phone, you can sometimes see the time, wallpaper, or even notifications. This feature is available on the Apple iPhone 17 series and some older models. If you want to blur the wallpaper in this always-on display, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how. First, open Settings. When you open Settings and scroll down, you'll see an option called Display and Brightness. Tap on Display and Brightness, and as you scroll down, you'll find Always On Display. Tap on it, and you'll see the Always On Display settings. If it's turned off, just turn it on. After that, under Customize, you'll see Show Wallpaper. It'll be turned on by default. If you want to blur the wallpaper photo, just turn on the Blur Wallpaper Photo option. After that, the wallpaper photo in Always On Display will be blurred. That's how you can easily blur the wallpaper photo on Always On Display in your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.